ESL Express!
Hello, little learners, and welcome to ESL Express. Today, we're going to learn how to count from 1 to 10 using animals. Are you ready? Let's go! 1 dog. Can you say it with me? 1 dog. Dogs love to bark. Woof, woof. I see 1 dog. Repeat after me. I see 1 dog. 2 cats. Say it with me. 2 cats. Cats like to sleep and purr. Meow. There are 2 cats. Let's say it together. There are 2 cats. 3 rabbits. Say it with me. 3 rabbits. They love to hop. Boing, boing, boing. I see 3 rabbits. You try. I see 3 rabbits. 4 chicks. Let's say it together. 4 chicks. Cheep, cheep, cheep. There are 4 chicks. Say it with me. There are 4 chicks. 5 monkeys. Monkeys love to climb trees. Say it. 5 monkeys. I see 5 monkeys. Great job! 6 frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. Frogs love to jump. Say it with me. There are 6 frogs. One more time. There are 6 frogs. 7 penguins. Waddle, waddle. Penguins live in the snow. Say it with me. 7 penguins. I see 7 penguins. Good job! 8 pigs. Oink, oink. Pigs love mud. Let's say it. 8 pigs. There are 8 pigs. You try. 8 pigs. 9 lions. Lions are kings of the jungle. Say it with me. 9 lions. I see 9 lions. Say it. I see 9 lions. Elephants. Wow! Big, strong elephants. Say it with me. 10 elephants. There are 10 elephants. Great work! Let's count the animals together one more time. Ready? Go! 1 dog, 2 cats, 3 rabbits, 4 chicks, 5 monkeys, 6 frogs, 7 penguins, 8 pigs, 9 lions, 10 elephants.